Hello everybody, Jake here. Today we're going to turn something with my Harbor Freight Lathe and my easy wood turning tools. Here we go. So the story is I've never owned a lathe before. I've only played on one time. It was at my friend David Burch's house. I traded him some dust collection hose for this, which we would have gave each other whatever we had anyway. That's what's cool about this community. But today I got my easy wood turning tools in, recommended by Jamie Page, and I'm not a professional by any means, so I'm not going to give directions on this one. We're going to put on some music, I'm going to glue some wood together, and I'm going to try to do a captured ring just because I think it's cool. And then I'll give my thoughts at the end of it. So check it out. Here comes the music. my first lathe project. It's supposed to have 3 captured rings on it, but we saw what happened to that. Of course, I learned a lot, and what is this? I don't know, but I think it's pretty cool. Kind of looks like a shake weight. Be nice. But thank you, David, for giving me the lathe, and thank you, Jamie, for recommending these Easy Wood turning tools. I was pretty nervous about doing this at first, and these things kind of put me at ease. They're a nice quality tool. They're real stable. So I haven't turned before, but I've fixed things my whole life, and I've had tools my whole life. You can tell a quality tool when you have one in your hands. So that's that. Here's the project. If this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, comment, share, and all that stuff, and be nice in the comments with the shake weight thing. See y'all next time. Be good.